Today we're doing a short mobility routine for your entire body that you can do anywhere. And I also want to let you know that July 1st, 2024 starts Mobility Month in my Unlimited community. That is a month focused on workouts and instructions and information all about how to increase mobility in your own body. So the link to join Unlimited and sign up for that is below. So all you need for this short and full body mobility routine is a little space to move. And we're gonna start in standing. And if balance is an issue for you, be close to the kitchen counter or a chair, and you'll wanna hang on to that as we start. So we're gonna have your feet underneath your hips, and I want you to spread your toes nice and wide. And then when you're ready, you're gonna lift your right knee up and back down. So it's an exhale and inhale. And again, feel free to use anything you need for balance here. So we're starting with some hip mobility. So this routine I kind of like to think of as everyday mobility, meaning you could do it every single day, and then you'll know you're hitting your hips and your spine and your shoulders, because we're gonna get to all of those today. All right, on this next one, lift your knee up, open it to the side, lower, and forward. So it's like you're drawing a circle in the air here. Okay, so these are kind of based on hip cars is what we call them. But mobility is really, really important. One of the most important things that you can work on in your body. And now switch directions with your circles. So you lift out to the side, forward, down. And your goal is to only move that leg. You're not letting your body move around with it. So by working mobility, you're actually gaining range of motion and strength. So you're getting strength in that increased range of motion. So it's like flexibility plus even more. Nice, all right, switch sides. So we're gonna lift just the left knee up and down. And I really want you to try to get it up as high as you can without your back kind of folding or arching or doing anything else. And you might notice you're getting some work in that standing leg too. So it's a little bit of an added bonus here. So on the next one, lift it up, open, lower, forward. And if you're already in Unlimited with me, or if you followed me for a while, you know this is one of my favorite standing moves for hip mobility. I do it all the time. I do it when I'm in the airport waiting for my flight, when I'm at the playground with my kids, when I'm standing in the kitchen, switch directions. And I have personally found by focusing on hip mobility more than just pure stretching over the past few years, it's helped a lot with my SI pain. It's helped a lot with hip flexor tightness. It is so important. Nice job. All right, just walk it out. Then what I want you to do is keep your feet under your hips here, and we're gonna just sit back a little bit, like a little teeny squat, and have your arms here. So you have your elbows kind of at your sides. Reach your arms up and down. So it's almost like going out to a Y and then pulling back to a W. Now, I have an entire video on just shoulder mobility. I have entire videos on just hip mobility and thoracic mobility. So if you want to focus on those areas, you definitely can. This video is a nice way to know that you're kind of getting just a little bit of all of it to help you maintain. Nice job. Now on this one, bring it back down here. So I'm in line with my body. Your hands come down and then up. So a little bit of rotation. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Stand all the way up. Arms come down, and we're gonna come down onto the mat. So we're gonna come onto all fours. And you can definitely have your fists down here instead of wrists if that's preferable to you. Have your knees a little wider than hip distance apart, your hands under your shoulders. And I want you to lift that left arm up towards the ceiling, okay? Then you're gonna reach it forward and then back up and reach it back. And keep your eyes on your hand as you do this. This is one of my favorites for shoulder and thoracic. We're starting to get your spine involved here too. And I know this can feel hard, so do small motions if you need to. You can try it with your elbow bent, and you can also do it in seated, okay? So if seated is a better place for you, then just do some arm circles in seated. And let's go ahead and switch arms. So I'm gonna open that right arm up, and I'm gonna bring it forward and up and back. So we're adding this motion and this breath to kind of, you can consider it almost like an opening action. We're opening up your spine, opening up your shoulders with a lot of strength included. Bring it back up, and that hand comes down. And we're gonna sit our hips back and bring your legs out in front of you. So your feet are gonna be mat distance apart, and you want to have them as straight as possible. Now, if you have tight hips, which we're working on, right? That's why we're doing mobility. So if you have tight hips or a tight low back, it can be hard to sit in this position. So sit up on like a little stool if you need to. That is completely fine. I just want you to be able to find as tall a posture as you can. That doesn't mean it'll feel easy. I just want you to try to find that posture. Then hands behind your head. Inhale, rotate to your right. Exhale, center. Inhale, rotate to the left. Exhale, center. And keep pulling your toes back towards you so that you're keeping your legs really strong and straight. One more each side. Back to center. Nice job. Let's bring our hands down. And then I want you to come back to that all fours position, but bring your left foot in front of you, okay? And your right foot and knee are back. Now, you can keep your hands down on the ground, or you can bring them up to your knee. And what we're gonna do is shift our weight back and forward. But you'll see I'm doing it, trying to, while using muscle control. That's the mobility piece. So if the balance, again, you need some help, have your hand on the wall, or like I said, you can keep your hands on the ground to start if that feels better to you. Also, final option is if being down on your knee is just not accessible, I want you to stand and put this left foot on a chair. And you're doing the same thing. You're pushing back and coming forward. And that is a great option for this move. Okay. And you'll see, I don't know if you can tell on video, but I am keeping my eyes just on one single spot to try to help with my balance. Nice job. All right, take your time switching legs. And you can always pad under that back knee too, but like I said, a really good option is just to do this in standing if you need to. So find that starting position, and we're gonna press back and then forward. So mobility allows you to have more control over your range of motion. It allows you to get stretched through a joint, but again, with strength and control. And it allows you then to gain strength in a really functional way. This is how we move through life, right? Like lifting things off the ground, reaching into the backseat of the car, pulling out weird shaped bags. All of that is mobility. I'm looking out right now into the yard, realizing we need to weed. Weeding is mobility. Down on the ground, constant gardening, all of that is mobility work. Okay, let's come out of that position. Take your time, and I'm gonna have you lay down on your back. And let's have our feet hip distance apart. Take an inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone. Roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time. When you get to the top, reach your arms back and then roll back down with your arms back. Inhale, arms come down. Exhale to roll. Inhale, arms reach back. Exhale, roll down. Last one, inhale, arms down. Exhale to roll up. Inhale, arms back. And exhale, slowly, slowly, slowly roll yourself back down. Bring your arms in, hug your knees into your chest. Just give yourself a little rock side to side. And great job. So that routine can be done daily if you want to just add that regular mobility into your life. I will talk to you soon. And don't forget to join me July 1st, 2024 for a month of mobility over in my Unlimited community. The link to join us is below.